Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to add email on Apple ID. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add an additional email address to your Apple ID account, then here's how to do it. Open up your iPhone's settings by giving it a tap. Now, from the settings menu, tap on your name at the top that you're logged in with. Right under your email address, tap on name, phone numbers, and email option. On the next page, tap on the edit button right next to contactable at, and now tap on add email or phone number option. Select add an email address from the pop-up beneath. Enter an email address you'd like to add with your Apple ID. Once you type in your email address, tap the next button at the top right. You'll need to enter a verification code that has been sent to the email address that you are trying to add. Simply open up the email and enter the code in the text box. Once you enter the verification code, you'll be able to add an email on your Apple ID. The email address will now be listed in the contact information menu as a verified email address. That is how you can easily add an email address on Apple ID. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.